Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where we are going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working on front-end projects. The problem we are discussing today involves creating an FAQ accordion using React. The issue at hand is that the code provided by our viewer is not working properly. Upon clicking on a question, it doesn't expand or collapse as expected. It seems like there's a bug lurking around, and we're here to fix it. Now, let's dive into the solution that was suggested for this FAQ accordion problem. The key point to note is that we need to incorporate the use of e.preventDefault in the click event handler of the details tag. By adding this, we ensure that the click event behaves correctly and prevents any unexpected behavior. Additionally, we can simplify the code by removing the isOpenState and solely relying on the selected ID state to manage the accordion functionality. This streamlined approach will help in resolving the issue and make the code more efficient. In summary, by implementing the solution provided, we can effectively resolve the problem with the FAQ accordion in our React code. Remember to pay attention to the details and follow the steps outlined to ensure a smooth functionality of the accordion. I hope this explanation was helpful in understanding the solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.